Hey everyone, Dr. J.R. Crosby here. I hold a doctorate degree in criminal justice. In the last 12 years of my life, I've been making a living as a law enforcement detective, pro MMA fighter, pro shooter, jiu-jitsu black belt, and a college professor. My passion, however, though, has always been the outdoors and hunting. So now the kiddos and I are here to take you across the globe on our hunting adventures. So stay tuned and check out Circle C Outdoors. Hey everyone.
Hey everyone, so it is March 13th, which is luckily my birthday. So what better way to spend your birthday than going down to the hill country and chasing a giant, over 2,000 pound water buffalo with my trusty Barrett 50 cal. We wanted to do something wild and fun. We always see fun stuff on birthdays, and it's always some kind of hunt. And this year, some of our friends happen to have a bunch of water buffalo running around and having trouble with one who got a little big, got a little old, got a little ornery, not really breeding the cows anymore. So we're going to go out and actually look for him. It's going to be pretty epic. I've never done anything with my 50 cal other than shoot long range competition. So we're going to go try it out and see how it does on him. And then we're going to spend the next several days chasing some free range axis, working on the ranch, getting rid of some varmints, scouting for deer season, and just seeing what other exotics we can run into across here. So stay tuned. It's going to be pretty epic. Okay. Let's see how it sounds. What do we have in here?
Let's take a look.
Let's
Ooh! 50-50.
What do we have, sir?
Very nice. 50 cal.
50 cal.
Don't worry, Jane, I won't crash.
Don't worry, brother. Eyes on the road, eyes on the road. What are you doing?
You said look at my brother. I'm looking at my brother. Don't watch us down, run and jump.
Turn the music on.
Oh, there goes one across the road. Actually jumped fence.
See where the big buck went. He might be up there. Look at that, Jake. It's a whole herd of them. There we go. There's a ton of them in the... There's some beautiful males in there. You see those? Look at that big one right there, bud. That's a nice. He'll be a really good one. You can't beat that bear hunting.
It changed me. I'm gonna tell you, it made me a different person. That's not what a profound effect it has.
Video on? Okay, so one thing about the 50, we're about to check it, see if it's zeroed in real good. Double ears. I can tell you from my time shooting these that they're no joke. So I always go soft ears underneath, double ears. Kids got all double ears. So like I said, these things are so much fun. They're so cool, but man, are they loud. So y'all see here in just a second. All right, you can stop recording, buddy. Oh, what do we got there? What do we got there? That bullet looks awful big, Skippy. What do we got there? What we got there? Yeah.
Have to get the 750. Oh, really? Because the 850, the blade's 16.5 foot wide, but when we get through the gate. The blade we used before is 8 feet. Yeah. The one on the 750 is 14 feet.
It's got rippers on it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Blew everything off.
Oh.
You should put a water bottle next to that brake up there in the front too, huh?
Yeah. I bet it's blowed up. Where did it hit?
2 inches high and about an inch right. So I couldn't tell earlier. I must have pulled the first one. That one I was super steady. Perfect elevation. Just a real light, so it's good to go.
Good to go.
That's about 100 yards, ain't it, G?
Yeah, it's right over there.
Perfect.
I'm charging out of the brush.
Yeah.
No, but he'll come get you.
Jay, let me see the phone. Jay, let me see the phone.
Just Aaron was good luck, wasn't he?
Must have been.
Uh-oh, here he comes. We got him. He's over by the back pond, so he's just over here by the honey hole and back pond. Yeah, this corner where the where that hole was real hard to drill in that fence that time. All right, bye. Yeah. All right, bye. He's gonna be hard to get.
Mm-hmm.
He's not gonna stop. You were right. Oh. He's done. I'm done.
Taking my rib out.
I'll eat him all myself.
I see him, I think, back there in the back. Maybe. He's gonna get in the worst spot to get him.
Oh, of course.
He's gonna be in the thickest, nastiest, gnarliest shit.
He was over here in the corner yesterday evening.
Yeah.
We're rabbit hunting.
Well, bunny.
Jay and Dale. No. Thumbs up.
See, I'd rather do this than anything else on the ranch.
Me too. Me too. Thumbs up.
We got him. He's over by the back pond, so he's just over here by the honey hole and back pond. Yeah, this corner where where that hole was real hard to drill in that fence that time. All right, bye. Yeah. All right, bye. He's gonna be hard to get. He's coming. Go ahead and let bed down, right here. Oh,
Yeah,
no,
he's going
running
that way.
down.
He's going that way.
Running down the fence. He ain't gonna be easy. Aaron just called. Said, "Y'all on your way?" Like a 30-second one. All right, everybody stay close to the buggy, guys.
Oh, no shoot yet. Okay, I got him.
You guys on him?
Yeah.
Wait till he turns broadside.
You guys ready?
No, be broadside. He's not broadside.
Yeah, just make sure you're on him. When he turns broadside.
To-do list.
Up. 4 years of college to learn that one.
Up. Headed your way.
He's running against the
Oh, I
fence.
see him.
Here it comes.
Here he comes.
I see him. He's walking now.
Ears on.
He's walking. He's headed out.
There he is, dude.
Hang on, don't shoot yet. Okay, I got him.
You guys on him?
Yeah.
Wait till he turns broadside.
Take it.
You guys ready?
No, be broadside. He's not broadside.
Yeah, just make sure you're on him. When he turns broadside.
Booyah.
Do it.
You ready?
Do it.
Woo!
He's going down. He's going down. Hold on. Let him go down.
There he goes.
Jaden, stay back, buddy. What a big old animal.
Julesies.
Yeah.
What happened?
We were laying down and
Uh-huh.
the buffalo came
Uh-huh.
and then it was facing straight and broadside.
That's right. How big is it? How much do you think it weighs?
Over 200.
2,300? Your guess? What's your guess, Stud?
I mean, it's over 2,000.
It's over 2,000?
So probably 2,010.
2,010 pounds? I'm going to say 2,150 right in the middle. And we're going to have to weigh it soon, see what happens.
I'm going 1850.
Going 1850? All right, 1850. How'd the bear 50 cal do?
Yeah, really good.
We found out, though, that this thing in the video took a 50 cal round and stayed up and walked. He only went about 25 or so
I'll
yards.
say 30.
30 so yards,
At the
whatever.
most.
But he took a 660 grain 50
Good.
cal right where you want to hit him
And swallow
at
it.
120 yards.
And he
stood there
swallowed
and took it. If that doesn't show you how amazing these animals
That was
Or-
unreal.
and how dangerous they can be, that shows it. But he's real old. That's perfect. Now all the young boys can breed some cows and they don't have to worry about getting beat up by the old grandpa no more.
That's
Right,
it.
Julesies? We gotta make some burger out of you. Think it'll taste good? You want to shoot the 50 cal next?
No.
Okay.
No.
No.
Cape burgers.
Cake burgers.
Sure. Yep.
Get her. She smoked.
Oh, she's bleeding out the heart right there,
Yeah,
Papa.
she's dead.
Oh, look at the blood, dog.
Dead.
See it? I thought she was gonna come get in the
Good
buggy.
shot, man.
Thank you.
I thought she
shot,
was gonna
buddy.
get in the buggy, dude.
Good shot.
What just bit me?
With the 45-70.
First kill with it.
Really?
Dirt nap.
Yeah, I just got it.
Dirt nap.
Man, you
boy.
dialed in on that boy.
Well, I don't go hunting when I know it's dialed in.
Beautiful. I'm gonna make some good burgers and steaks. Afternoon number 2. We're back at it, looking for either a big management access buck that's been coming through. That's looks like he's got a whole injury and he's kind of limped in and doesn't look too good body wise, and one side of his horns are messed up. Also, a couple young bucks that are hard horn that just don't look like they're maturing out for their age and their body size where they should be. Kind of mainly focusing on those, but these free range axes are so nomadic, you never know when you're going to see a huge one pop out. So if we see a real big one, we'll take one of those too, and then keep on the varmint and population and keep scouting for turkey season and seeing how our deer are looking in the spring for the fall. So we'll see if we can't get Munchkin here on his first axis. So it's been amazing so far. And what better way to spend a birthday week? And then if he gets one, then Jules, is it your turn then? That's right. Well, it's still only day 1, and we've already got a big old mean water buffalo on the ground. We got a beautiful red stag hind down for our friends. Thank you for counting that we got down for a beautiful meat cow. Make lots of burger, and now we've got several axes here on the ranch on the hit list. Some hardhorn young bucks that just don't look real good for the future. A couple that look like they got injured fighting, have some injuries on their body, and then it's kind of affecting their racks. So we're going to spend the next few days going after them and managing varmints and keep an eye on the exotic side and stay pretty heavy on this free range side. So we can kind of see if we can get kind of a good idea for turkey season coming up and whitetail, how they're looking for the spring, and mainly the big old axis if they come out, or the management. So, wait, first axis. What's your first axis? All right, so we'll go see if we're gonna actually sneak around this evening. We're gonna walk on foot and try a little different spot and stalk and see if we can get lucky and walk between some feeders. And kids want to get a little more active, they said tonight. So since it's still my birthday, I'm gonna let them pick. I don't know how that works, but it does apparently. And see if we can get done. on screen.